Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I realize it's been a really long time since I've done an introduction. I'm home, so yeah, welcome back to another video. I have missed you guys. Yeah, a lot has happened. Happy New Year. 2020, here we are. I'm just getting reacquainted with my life, with my bed. But yeah, still a bit jet lagged. We're waking up at about 2 now instead of like 6 p.m. So doing well. But yeah, this is me just checking in to say, hey, what's up? I missed you. I'm good. I hope you good. This is the final sort of Zim vlog. This is just a roundup of the final week, what we did, where we went, things like that, and yeah.
It's good if it's smoky like this because it usually cooks the meat with a little bit of flavor.
Hey, I have some grass for you. Here. Why you keep running away? Here. Look at these avocados. Oh my, I love avocados. They're not ripe yet, but the tree is humongous. If only people knew how much. This is $4 for one in Australia, and there's this whole mango tree. Well, I said mangoes, avocado tree. It's huge. No! Hi guys, we are currently in Bangkok, China. There's like this little, I don't know whether that's my camera or, oh, it's the lights from the thing. We're currently in, oh, how do I get better? No, better. So we're currently in Bangkok, China. This is our second leg of the journey. We have done approximately nearly about 17 hours on a flight, on a plane now. We went from Harare to Addis Ababa. Then we waited 4 hours in Addis Ababa. And then we boarded a 10-hour flight to Beijing, China. So that's where we are now. And we're gonna wait 6 hours before we get on a flight to Australia for 10 hours. So it's safe to say your girl is tired. Everyone is just irritable. Like, it's just a lot. Oh, I'm ready to be home. Wow, I really be looking like this. Look at my bag. I'm so tired. How am I so tired when I just woke up? It's like 4 a.m. in the morning and my body still wants to sleep, but I can't. Can someone please explain to me this logic? Oh, man, I'm so hungry. I'm tired. There's so many things I could just complain about. I just want to wake up and complain. Can someone please listen to me? Who can I call at 4 a.m. in the morning to complain to? Oh, bruh. So don't mind all this stuff. This is stuff I bought, laundry, gifts from my graduation, my face mask, a lot happening. But I just wanted to show you guys the stuff that I got from Zim. So the hair products that I got in Zim. So I will do a separate video for that, just testing that out and giving you guys my thoughts. I've kept the receipts as well, yeah, so I can tell you exactly how much it was and things like that. So I got the Dark and Lovely Au Natural collection. I didn't manage to get the last one of these, which is an Afro pudding. It was an Afro pudding. This one is the plating pudding, but there was an Afro pudding, but I didn't manage to get that, so shame. But this is the stuff that I got. So I will be testing that out in a video to come, so stay tuned for that. So just to explain something, why you may be wondering why there wasn't a lot of footage, why things were a bit choppy and things like that. So the last time we were in Zimbabwe was in 2011 and it's 2019. Well, 2020 now. So the last time we were there was in 2011. So there's a big time difference between when we were last there and now. Hence, I didn't want to be whipping out a camera all the time. I didn't want to be videoing people because this is the first time we're seeing them in a really long time and it's quite an intimate moment and I didn't want to be there like paparazzi. So that's why things were a little bit choppy. That's why things were a little bit you know, they didn't really flow and you know, it was cutting through days and things like that. I would have loved to vlog everything, but I had to respect my family and the people that I was around, and I also just really wanted to be present in the moment. So sometimes you just want to be present, you don't want to vlog everything. But I hope you guys have liked the series in Zim and me showing you guys what I've done and things like that. Yeah, I'll see you guys next Friday. I love you guys so much.